In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix third-party template add-ins in Wix. If you've been having trouble with templates not functioning properly, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through a straightforward process to help resolve these issues, allowing your site to run smoothly. Let's start by addressing your browser settings. The first thing you'll want to do is open your browser and navigate to the settings menu. This process might vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but generally you can find the settings by clicking on the three-dotted or three-lined icon, often located in the top right of the browser window. Once you're in the settings, it's time to look for the option to manage your browsing data. This usually includes your cache and cookies. Clearing these files is essential because they can cause conflicts or slow down your connection by holding onto outdated or corrupted data. In most browsers, you'll find an option called Privacy and Security, or something similar, where you can access these settings. When you've located the section for clearing browsing data, take a moment to review the available options. You want to clear the cache and cookies specifically. There might be several options like cached images and files or browsing history, so make sure to select the cache and cookies for the most effective results. Clearing your cache and cookies can sometimes unexpectedly log you out of sites, so be prepared to re-enter login credentials where necessary after this process. After you've selected what you want to clear, go ahead and click on the Clear Data button. Keep in mind that this might take a few moments, depending on how much data your browser is holding, so be patient during this step. Once you've cleared your browsing data, it's time to give your Wix site another try. Head over to your Wix site and see if the third-party template add-ins are functioning properly now. There's a good chance that this process will have resolved any conflicts or outdated information that was causing the problem. By refreshing the browsing data, you're essentially giving your site a fresh start, allowing it to load the most current files and content without interference. If you followed these steps and are still encountering issues, you might want to consider checking for further updates from Wix or the third-party template provider, as a faulty or outdated version could also be at the root of the issue. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you get your Wix site back on track. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other tutorials available. Have a great day, and happy web designing!